Okay, now that you've saved your video, what you want to do next is upload it to your Google Drive. Now, to do that, you first need to go to your Google Drive. One of the ways you can get there is through your waffle. If you come up to it, click on it, select Google Drive, brings you there. Next, you want to find your classroom folder. Double click on that. And then next, you want to find the robotics folder for your classroom, your particular robotics class. For this sample video, what I've done is I've created a folder called My Robotics, and that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to go inside the My Robotics folder, and I'm going to create a new folder in there called Videos. That's where I'm going to put all my videos. Then I'm going to go inside the video folder, and I'm going to upload it. Now, to upload it, what I need to do is go up to New, select File Upload, find the file. It's in the Videos folder. Select it, open, and it uploads. There we go.